Hello Sujit, how are you?
Fine, I'm fine.
Yeah. Hello guys, I am Akshay Patan and he is Sujit Jagatap. Sujit has recently cleared his SIMS interview and completed his sponsorship for September batch. So congratulations Sujit for clearing the sponsorship from SIMS.
Thank you so
Congratulations from Team Let's Learn and Merchant Navy Decoding.
yes, thank you so much for all Let's Fun team and Merchant Navy Decoder family.
Yeah, thank you. So, guys, Sujit is here to share his interview experience about Sims. And before that, I would like to tell you that Sujit has already given the non-technical part of the interview, in which he has mentioned which all merchant navy decoded packages he has and how those packages help Sujit to clear his interview and written exams. So that part of interview will be available in the description box. That link will be provided. So here we are to discuss the interview questions asked for Sujit in Sims. So, Sujit, are you ready?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So, Sujit, first of all, tell me what were the topics did you get in the written part? Technical.
Written part, I get from IC engine, thermodynamic, refrigeration, and fluid mechanics. These four were means important topics. From that only I got, and one or two question from material science from that only. But main focus there on IC engine, fluid mechanics, thermodynamics, and rack means refrigeration and air conditioning.
Okay.
Yes, in technical part, and B part were English part there.
Okay. Yeah. So, Sujit, can you tell me how did you prepare for your returns?
For returns, I prepare from that RS Khurmi book, that 5000 MCQ, and second that I use the website that is Examveda. It will help a lot for me. And so I use this both platforms, and also some questions are always sending on the Let's Learn team. Some seniors are sending, so I always solve that as well. So with the help of this all combination, it get easy to clear my returns.
Yeah. Okay. So, Sujit, did you get any psychometric questions?
Psychometry, yes, means first written, then interview, and after interview, psychometry is test.
Yeah. So, can you tell me how did you deal with those psychometric questions?
Yes, because I have given first Anglo, and because I have given written very nicely, so I thought that I will clear Anglo, but I think I make mistake in psychometry test only. So this time I prepared well, and I take help from seniors and all from the Let's Learn team members, that how to tackle the psychometry, and I focus more on the psychometry this time. And also on YouTube, means Let's Learn group, actually there are videos also about psychometry, and with the help of that, I means prepare well for the psychometry, and mentally prepared this time for that psychometry, and this time I cleared my psychometry test.
Okay. Yeah. So, what would you like to tell to the upcoming aspirants about psychometric? Like how exactly do you prepare? What all
Means
type of questions do you get in psychometric?
Yes, means type of question you will get, just do you like this? And it will be not that key, you have to answer some yes or no only type questions were there. So only mentally prepared, that don't mark all positive only. Making mind that I have to tick all the question positive, positive, positive. So the interviewer, some who is sitting in front, will select me. That's not the point. The first thing which is coming in your mind, tick that only, because you yourself know that what is the correct answer for my attitude. So according to your attitude, answer that question, and definitely you will clear the psychometry.
Yeah. So basically, psychometric is all about yourself. So
Yes,
how you
mentality.
are. Yeah.
Yes, your own mentality.
Yeah. Okay. So next question is Sujit, what were the questions asked to you in the interview?
Non-technical means, can
Yeah,
I
both
tell first?
non-technical or technical. You can just tell the questions.
Okay, non-technical, they asked just me introduction first, and in introduction I mention all things, but then after also they asked me second that tell me about your family background. So I tell about the family background. After family, that they asked me why do you want to join Merchant Navy. Then next question was tell me the five CM names of other states other than Maharashtra. And last question was the tricky one question, that is, if suppose the time in the clock is 11:30, then what will be the angle between hour and minute hand? This was the non-technical question, and then he jumped into the technical question. Then technical, he asked me first boiler mountings, and in boilers mounting, I asked him that if I have to explain in details or only I have to tell names. He said that just tell the names. So I tell all the boiler mountings, and then he asked, tell me more about low water level indicator. So I tell about low water level indicator. Then he asked me, what do you mean by trip actually? Then I tell about the trip. Then he said, good, good. That only answer I want from you. And then he asked me about difference between auto cycle, diesel cycle. And again, he jumped into the difference between welding and brazing. And last question, I think it's about lathe machine, parts of lathe machine. And after the parts of lathe machine, I said that one part chuck, na. So he asked me that, do you know the parts of the chuck? So I said, yes, sir. I only know, I heard only two, that is three jaw chuck and four jaw chuck. So he directly asked me what is the difference between them. So I tell one point about both. Then he said, you want to tell more about this? I said, no, sir. I only know this much only about this. After the interview, I will definitely go through this. And after that, he said, okay, that's fine. So our team will inform you further.
Yeah.
Then after that, I received psychometric test.
Yeah. So, Suchit, what are the tips do you like to give to the upcoming GME aspirants?
I will like to give that first prepare for returns, because it's not that key directly preparing for means interview is enough, because you have to clear first exam. So I will suggest that prepare parallelly for both, for returns as well as for interview as well. So I will suggest, please, if you know, do not need to purchase also that book. That PDF format will be available on our Let's Learn. It is always there on our description. So that prepare from that, and parallelly solve some exam with from exam with the MCQs, and also start preparing dreamers package. Make their own notes. Don't be depend on that कि हाँ मिल जाएगा यहाँ से notes. So prepare own notes and try to understand the actual concept. What is the actual concept? And so when one will go through the dreamers, they will understand that what actually the concept is. So I will suggest that go parallelly, prepare from that RS Kurmi book, from Exam Veda, and also from Dreamers package, prepare for the interview. And also, I will suggest that in GM Excellence, the electrical package is also there. I will suggest the most of them prepare that as well, because nowadays the electrical question is also asking more. And for aptitude, you need don't need any book, but go through Exam Veda, and with the help of YouTube reference, you can watch the videos or actually concept, what is the concept behind the aptitude, and then you can jump on the Exam Veda. That's all.
Yeah. Thank you, Sujit. So my final question is, Sujit, what is your feedback to the team Let's Learn and the active members of team Let's Learn? Do you want to give any
Uh,
feedback?
yes, I was always ready to give feedback for, because with the help of that Let's Learn only, this achievement I have done. Because before joining Let's Learn, I was only I have one package, and I was preparing that, but I thought that this will not enough. So I was doing more and more study of mechanical. But when I joined Let's Learn, then I come to know that what actually the pattern of the exam GME is that. So the senior helps me a lot in that, and so I thanks a lot for that Let's Learn team. Because of them only this I have achieved this, because they help me a lot. Because seniors also there many, means when I message them, they will reply immediately. When they are free, immediately they will reply, and they will correct what is wrong, what is right. And and I think because of this only, more aspirants are getting selecting in this field. So this platform helps for a lot aspirants as well as for me. So
Yeah.
thank you so much for Let's Learn team.
Okay. Thank you so much, Sujit, for your valuable time. And once again, congratulations, Lord, for getting selected in Sims. And all the best for your future endeavors. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Take care.